Alright guys, I'm Brother O.
And I'm Mikey.
And this is Soul Mix. And we are here in Enchanted Kingdom in Santa Rosa, Laguna, celebrating the Christmas season.
And as you can see, we both have our day passes for today because we've been going around Enchanted Kingdom and enjoying all the fun rides and other activities here to enjoy.
Yeah, there are many things to be grateful for this Christmas. Let me ask you that question, Mikey. What are the top 3 things that you are thankful for this Christmas season?
Well, I guess the top 3 things I'm really grateful for are my 3 Fs.
3
my
Fs.
friends,
ano
my
ba?
family, and my faith.
Wow! Faith, ah? Wow, that's really Christmassy, ano? Ako naman, if you ask me, 3 Ls naman sa akin. Alam mo, 3 Ls. Love. Love of family, friends, and my community. And laughter, you know, what would be Christmas without the laughter and the joy, you know? Fun!
Baka pwede ko hulaan yung pangatlo.
Anong pangatlo?
Liquor?
Ay, hindi. Moderate lang yun. Tsaka bawal sa minors yun, ha? Ikaw, ha?
Hindi, ako hindi na ako minor. I believe I just turned 18 last January.
Kaya drink moderately, ha? Pero ang last L is life.
Yes.
I mean,
I definitely agree.
I'm alive, you're alive, and we're celebrating life here, you know, in this Christmas season, right here in Enchanted Kingdom.
And definitely, the Christmas season is really a time to celebrate life because as we all know, Jesus was born at this very happy time.
All right, guys, so to celebrate your 3 own things to be thankful for, check out these videos so that you will enter into the spirit of Christmas.
Enjoy!
Marahil to'y di mo inaasahan, pero sana'y wag ipinid ang pinto. Hindi ko mang bibig, mata'y ibaling sa'kin. Pakinggan mo ang sasabihin ko. Kailan mo ba matututunan? Kailan mo ba pagsisigawan na di mo na pagkakailan tayo? Kirami ng pinagdaanan, ano pa bang iyong kailangan? Nagsusuma mo na, sabihin mo. Ako'y tigib sa kaisip, sa sarili laging may kinikim-kim. Patuloy lamang bang mananaginip at mananatili lang na nakapikit. Ako'y merong batid, ito'y iyong pag-amin. Hindi na natin maiwasan to. Kailan mo ba matututunan? Kailan mo ba pagsisigawan? Di mo na pagkakailan tayo. Kirami ng pinagdaanan, ano pa bang iyong kailangan? Nagsusuma mo na, sabihin mo. Hindi ko mang bibig, mata'y ibaling sa'kin. Pakinggan